MV Agusta presents the new Dragster RR SCS America. Dedicated livery, leather saddle with raised stitching, carbon rim and many exclusive details for the new MV Agusta Dragster RR SCS America, made in just 300 units. Here are all the features and the price. The 800 RR SCS America is distinguished by a special coloring that recalls the colors of the US flag and is enriched by a handcrafted leather saddle with America Special Edition stitching. The attention to detail can be found in the rim with a lenticular structure in carbon, enriched by a dedicated color, like on the tank. Each of the bikes is numbered from 1 to 300, with a laser engraving on the steering head. The special parts kit supplied includes the transparent cover of the SCS clutch, the personalized motorcycle cover and the certificate of authenticity. Among the special parts available among the accessories is the Akrapovič sports exhaust in titanium with dedicated control unit, which allows maximum power to be reached 148 HP at 12,800 revolutions per minute. The Dragster RR SCS America takes advantage of the technical and chassis base of the classic Dragster 800 RR SCS, starting from the 798cc inline 3-cylinder engine with counter-rotating crankshaft, solution derived from the Moto, and assisted by the SCS 3.0 clutch, which allows not to use the handlebar lever. The ride-by-wire accelerator with negative stroke, recently introduced in the range, is designed to improve control and feeling in the middle of the corner and makes cruise control deactivation more progressive. The advanced inertial platform makes it possible to make the most of the traction controls and ABS with cornering function, while the 8-level manually adjustable steering damper improves the steering response of the Dragster RR SCS America even at high speed. The braking system offers a pair of 320mm diameter front discs with Brembo 4-piston radial calipers. The 5.5-inch TFT display can count on updated software and interfaces with the MV Ride app for smartphones, guaranteeing extensive customization possibilities. Finally, the Mobisat system with geolocation guarantees owners the serenity of always having the position of their motorbike under control.